Well, students, today we will learn how to find the variance. Now, before that, let us understand the difference between the sample and the population. Suppose you want to know the average height of all the students of your college. If you measure the height of a single student, that is population. But measuring everyone's height may not be feasible because it's a time-consuming process. So, you just take 100 students randomly. This is sample. Now, let us understand using the formulas. Whenever we have to find the variance, first we calculate the mean. The formula for mean is summation x over n. X is score. Now, here all the scores are added. The sum is then divided by the total number of the scores. That is the mean. Deviation is then calculated. Deviation is the deviation of each of the score from the mean. That means if x is one score, then x minus m is the deviation from the mean. After calculating the deviation, we find the square of all the deviations and add them, divide it by n. That becomes a variance for the population. Variance of the population is denoted by sigma square. When we have to calculate the variance for the small sample, then instead of n, we have n minus 1 because this gives you the more accurate idea of how spread out actual population is based on the sample. And variance of the sample is denoted by small s square, right? And we know that the standard deviation is square root of the variance. So whether you calculate the variance for the population or the sample, the standard deviation is square root of the variance. Now we will understand using the